Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is Friday, March 7, 2025, and as you guys can see, my profit for today is $241 on the day for a ticker symbol AMZN, which is Amazon. So let's get into it. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's been a crazy week. I've just been sitting on the sidelines because everything has been going down. I don't know if you've seen in the news recently, all the tariff stuff. Everything has just been so crazy. It's just, I don't know if you guys have been trading, but I like I said, I've been on the sideline, and yeah, it's just better to just take your time and just see what happens with the market. Whenever it's like consistently selling off, you just have to take a step back and just watch it from the sidelines. That's just my thing. You don't have to do that. Again, like I said in my previous videos, you don't have to be trading every day. If you want to stay consistent, you have to know how to be patient and just know when you're getting in and out of a trade by looking at the broader market. So with that being said, with ticker symbol Amazon AMZN, I pretty much got in super early because you guys could clearly see that when the market opened, we had a lot of buyers shooting up the price from $199 all the way to $202. After that, we started to see a huge sell-off. There was a quick bounce, and then after that, everything just started to go off. For me, I realized, okay, so usually, like I said in my past videos, you have to be a little bit patient. So I was patient, but you guys can see that all these red candles, I decided, okay, I'm gonna start a position, nothing too crazy, just 100 shares. And then we did get this nice reversal right here, which I could have sold out. However, that would have been around like $75 or so, if I remember correctly. And my profit that I wanted to make for today was actually just $100. So $75 is not a big deal. And I have no problem holding on to this, until Monday. So which is why I could have essentially turned this into a swing trade. But regardless, my profit that I wanted to make was 100, so that's what happened. Let's go quicker into it. Let's dive a little bit deeper, because if you take a look here, when I actually bought out, yes, I could have sold, but if we see the pattern that's been going on right here, we could clearly see that it was in the oversold in the RSI, and the MACD was getting ready to curl. And that's what happened. Since it didn't make my profit, I decided to hold on, and that's when everything just kept selling off. So with the news, everything in the news, it's just been about tariffs and everything. So we pretty much had 2.5% sell-off, again reaching all the way down to 192. If we look at the bigger picture, that would have been pretty much a 4.6% down on the day. All right, we pretty much had this nice reversal after things just started to pick up with the tariffs and everything, if you've been following the news, and we just started to see more buyers. Like the buying just went absolutely insane, and then it just went all the way back to the current price point where I bought into, from 192 all the way back up to 197 to 200 points. So with that being said, that's where I decided to sell out, because like I said, my profits for today, I just wanted to make $100 and I held on to it. However, I know I could hold on until Monday, but given how crazy the market has been for these past few days I should say, I just decided, take your profits, like I usually say on this channel, take your profits and then go into the weekend, come back on Monday, and let's just see how it goes. So that's what I essentially did. I did clear over $100, moving into $150, and then I decided to sell out. I do have the video for that. You can clearly see where the video, I just set my price where I wanted to sell out of this stock, take my profits, $241 for the day, and then I just called it a day after that. We can clearly see that after I sold out, everything pretty much just went sideways and a little bit lower, closing out on 199.25. All right, so let me ask you guys this. How did you guys actually do in the market today? did you guys actually trade today or trade in this crazy week? You know, because it's been crazy with the sell-off. Everything has been just so insane. And yeah, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. And yeah, I'd like to hear from you guys if, you know, how's your trading session been going? Because, you know, like I said in the beginning of the video, I've just been very patient, and I just wanted to make sure I'm on the sidelines for right now, you know, making sure that I stick to what I usually do, and then keep on doing what I normally do, and that's just making profits, staying on the sidelines, making a plan, and not over trading. So I'll leave it like that, guys. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. You know what to do. Smash the like button, the subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do. Peace.